Welcome back to the X-Pro Stay channel. Today, we're embarking on one of the most exciting long-haul routes in the aviation world. Turkish Airlines Flight 181 Takas, taking us all the way from Istanbul directly to Mexico City aboard the ultra-modern Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner. After spending some time at the massive Istanbul Airport, taking advantage of the rest zones and getting a quick coffee, it was time to board via the apron bus. Watching this massive Dreamliner engine up close from the tarmac is always a breathtaking way to start a trip. Stepping on board, the cabin setup immediately feels sleek and spacious. Waiting at our seats was the standard long-haul kit, a soft pillow, a warm blanket, and noise-reducing headphones. One of my favorite features on the 787 is the seat-back entertainment system. Not only is the screen sharp and loaded with hundreds of movies, series, and live TV, but the exterior belly and tail cameras give you a pilot's eye view of the runway. Watching our nighttime takeoff over the illuminated streets of Istanbul via the live feed was absolute magic. Shortly after reaching cruising altitude, the flight attendants handed out the Amenity kits, a stylish collaboration with Lacoste. Inside, you'll find high-quality essentials, travel socks, an eye mask, earplugs, lip balm, and a full dental set. It's definitely one of the best economy class kits out there. Then came the main event, the first meal service. Turkish Airlines is famous for its catering, and tonight was no exception. We were served a choice of traditional Turkish moussaka or baked cheesy potatoes with grilled vegetables, accompanied by a crisp fresh salad, warm bread, and a delicious panna cotta for dessert. The flavors, temperature, and presentation easily score a 10 out of 10 for economy dining. During a flight, we also got a small sandwich. Let's talk about a detail every long-haul traveler secretly cares about: the lavatories. On a 14-hour flight, keeping the bathrooms clean is a full-time job, but Turkish Airlines actually does a fantastic job here. The Dreamliner toilets feel surprisingly modern, feature touchless controls, and, the best part, they stock them with premium hand soaps and lotions that make you feel like you're in a mini spa instead of 35,000 feet in the air. A quick refresh here halfway through the flight works wonders. When it comes to killing time, the seatback screen is your best friend. The Turkish Airlines entertainment lineup on this flight was stacked. We're talking about a massive selection of the latest Hollywood blockbusters, classic film franchises, international cinema, and even full seasons of popular TV shows. The touchscreen was super responsive, and with built-in flight tracking maps and customizable audio channels, you literally cannot get bored, even if you stay awake the entire flight. With over 13 hours in the air, getting some sleep is essential. The Dreamliner's quiet cabin, soft mood lighting, and electronically dimmable windows make relaxing so much easier. About 2 hours before landing, as the sun began to rise over the horizon, the cabin filled with the aroma of freshly brewed coffee and a warm breakfast. We enjoyed fluffy pancakes, side fruits, and hot pastries, the perfect fuel before arriving in Central America. The final descent into the Valley of Mexico is spectacular. Gliding over the rugged mountain ranges and watching the dense, endless urban sprawl of Mexico City unfold beneath us through the large Dreamliner windows was unforgettable. All in all, Turkish Airlines delivered an incredible long-haul experience on 181 takas. From the top-tier catering and generous Lacoste amenity kit to the comfort of the 787 Dreamliner, 14 hours in economy class flew by faster than expected. If you enjoyed this flight review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more travel adventures, and drop a comment below. Would you survive a 14-hour flight, or do you need a live flatbed to fly this far? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one from Mexico.